I want to welcome you back to another video. And if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by mr.dopestatus on Instagram. You can follow me there. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content. So if that is something that you are interested in, then definitely stick around to the end of the video and hit that subscribe button. All right, so let's go ahead and make a beat using the Maschine Plus. As you can see, I have no mouse or keyboard in here today. It's just the machine. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and load up a drum kit. So just hit browse and I'm going to select this one right here and hit browse again. That takes me out of the menu. And then let's go ahead and test some of these sounds here. Okay, so sounds pretty good. The first thing that we want to do is really just set the tempo, just kind of get a groove going. So I'm going to press the tempo button here. And I'm going to dial this back using my 4D encoder. And let's turn on the metronome so we can kind of hear what we're doing. I think that is good right there. So we're going to do shift, record, and program the beat. And let's go ahead and quantize this here. So I'm just going to do shift quantize and let's listen now. All right, so I'm good on the metronome, so I can turn that off here. Shift and tap turns it off. And let's go ahead and program a shaker. All right, so let me go ahead and quantize that shaker, but first I want to select it. So I just do shift select, and then I hit pad 3 because that's where my shaker is located. And then I'm just going to hit shift quantize. All right, so now what I want to do is deselect that there, and let's listen back. So that is way too loud for my liking, so I'm just going to turn that down. And to do that really quickly is just simply hit this volume button right here. We hold down the pad that we want to turn down, which is the shaker. So I'm going to hold this here, and I'm just going to turn down the volume here. That's using my 4D encoder. So maybe right around there. All right, let's find some more sounds. Again, turn that down just a little bit. Let's drop that in there. Select that there, do quantize, and deselect it. Drop that in there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and quantize that as well. Do those 3 there, and shift quantize. So I want this pattern or groove to swing just a little bit more. So what I want to do is go ahead and I'm going to take this here and I'm going to go into events here. And actually I want to select this, and then we're just going to move this 4D encoder here and just kind of push it to the right. And as you can see, it nudged a little bit too much. So what I want to do is just turn off my grid. So I'm just going to go back here, turn off my grid and just nudge it. And then we're going to listen to see how much swing we can add here. right, so that's sounding pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select none of these here. And then I'm gonna add in this bass I heard over here. So we're gonna go to keyboard mode and go ahead and pick a scale. We're gonna do maybe a minor. Change the octave. Let's go ahead and drop that in there. Let's go ahead and try that again. All right, so this might be a little bit too lengthy for me. So let me go ahead and go to my events, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my velocity here. I'm just gonna press on my 40 encoder, and I can change this here. And then let's say, for example, that might be a little bit, maybe I want it to be an octave down. So all I have to do is just go down here and I can select these notes here, shift octave down, and I just moved it a whole octave down. And so that's really how you make your first beat inside a Maschine. I hope you learned something and found this valuable. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. Again, it's your boy Young Fizz. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.